Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make a healthy and satisfying vegetable soup. And here are the prepared ingredients. Here I already washed 4 pieces of zucchini, few green beans, 3 pieces of peeled carrots, a piece of peeled potato, celery, washed and clean chicken thigh, a cup of vermicelli, some whole peppercorn, a piece of white onion, a peeled half lemon, a piece of wooden stick, and some bay leaves. And here I have a teaspoon of onion and garlic powder, a half teaspoon of black pepper, and a tablespoon of tomato paste and salt to taste. Now let's get started. And here I prepared the boiling water. Let's put in our chicken thigh. And some of our prepared seasoning. Add a tablespoon of salt. Let's wait for the foam formation. Once the foam appears, let's remove it. Once we remove all the foam, let's cover it and let it boil and cook until the chicken thigh becomes tender. For the meantime, let's cut our vegetables. Let's start with our potato. Let's cut into small cubes. Same cut with our green beans. Same with our zucchini. And now with our celery, the same cut. That's our carrot. Done cutting our veggies. Set aside. Now let's check our boiled chicken. Now it's tender. It's already done. Now let's remove all the chicken. Set aside and let it cool down. Now let's remove some of the ingredients we put in before. Now remove them all. With the same pot, let's put in all our prepared vegetables. Let's add our prepared spices. Add our tomato paste. Stir it. Cover and let it boil a little bit. And for the meantime, let's shred our chicken when it's cold. Remove the skin. Shred the chicken. Done shredding our chicken. Set aside. Once it's boiled, let's add our vermicelli noodles. And add our shredded chicken. Cover it and cook it for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, let's check our vegetable soup. Smells good. It's already done. And our healthy and satisfying vegetable soup is ready to serve. Our healthy and satisfying vegetable soup is ready to serve.